Hi, Dr. Tyler Kowalski with Kowalski Chiropractic. I just wanted to give you a few updates and a few changes that we're going to be implementing in our office with this whole coronavirus thing going on. We are going to stay open unless we let you know otherwise. I would love to take a few weeks off, just chill at home, but my boss here, she did not want me to take any time off. I'm not talking about Dr. Paul, I'm talking about Kona here. She literally pointed like this and said, get to work, we got to keep the treats coming. So we will be keeping the office open. Both me and Dr. Paula will be here. We also want to kind of keep the office open to help out with the emergency care and the other medical doctors. Over 25% of the emergency stuff they see is musculoskeletal, and we want to help ease their stuff with everything going on. So just letting the doctors know out there, we'll be keeping our office open to help you out as well. So some changes that we are going to be making in our office, we're kind of spreading the appointments apart. So we're not going to have a whole bunch of people kind of back to back. We're going to keep them spread apart so there's only 1 or 2 patients in our office at a time. We always keep our office very clean, very sanitized, but we're kind of taking it to the next level. Definitely keeping our tables, the doors, the chairs, everything sprayed down before everyone comes in. And we're also going to be kind of doing a little questionnaire when you come in if you've had a cough, cold, fever, traveled, or anything like that, just like everybody else is doing. And if you do have a cough or a cold or a sore throat or any flu symptoms like that, we ask that you kind of get checked out before coming in. And we just want to keep everybody as healthy as possible. So chiropractic's a great way to keep everybody healthy. Even before all this, that's our ultimate goal, to keep you moving, feeling well, taking that stress off the body, kind of recommending the proper nutrition and some exercises as well. So we just want to keep everybody healthy as possible. Letting you know we'll keep the office open, and I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you later.